everyone.
Good evening!
Happy Sabbath.
Happy Sabbath!
Amen. So it is with great joy that I welcome each of you to our worship this evening and to our spiritual retreat. So it is an opportunity for us to step away from the busyness and especially ACADS. As we come together in prayer, reflection, and worship, may our hearts be open to God's presence. So I will be reading our program and participants this evening. We sang praises to the Lord led by Sister Jairine and Sister Maren. And then we opened our worship by Sister Sai Katanyag by a prayer. And then welcome remarks, yours truly. And then after that, we will be hearing a song from the Science and Math majors. And then we will have a care group activity or discussions with the theme, How Far I'll Go as a Child of God. And after that, we will sing our theme song and a closing prayer by Sister Vilay. So this evening, let us set aside worry and distractions. So no matter where we are, no matter despite of the challenges we are facing tonight, so God invites us to draw near to Him, as also James 4:8 reminds us. It says here, draw near to God and He will draw near to you. So may this time of worship bring us closer to Him and deepen our faith. So once again, welcome and happy Sabbath.
Amen.